Welcome to Lifeblood's updated audit tool with improved functionality. This short video will demonstrate exactly how you can make the most of the new features. Please be mindful that this video assumes you have used or are using the audit tool. If you're new to this resource and want to know how to get started, please visit lifeblood.com.au and search Audit Tool for a detailed guide. Okay, let's get started. Log in using your email and username, which will bring up your dashboard. For today's purposes, we're using dummy data and going to be focusing on the transfusion documentation audit to show you how to generate and use the new reporting function. When you click on the audit, scroll down to see those dummy responses and then again to see Report. You can select part or all of the data. Today we're going to select all. You can still download a CSV file, but Get Reports is the new feature we're going to explore. You need to fill in the name of your organisation. I've put in St. Elsewhere for today's. Next, you can add your organisation's logo if you wish. Now, I've pre-populated the information where it asks this type of audit. This one is a retrospective audit, and I've included the dates, which is important to accurately interpret the results and also demonstrate to others looking at the report that it's not reflective of current practice. The audit aim and background fields will be pre-populated. However, you can edit these to add or delete any information. Now, there's only information in the recommendations field as I pre-populated earlier, but the field will be blank. This is really based on your result. So what are your results telling you? This field is to document what you're going to do post-audit. This audit, for example, shows that we weren't very good at documenting indication of transfusion. So one recommendation could be to further investigate the results relating to documentation of transfusion indication. And that's just one example. Click Next. Now we go through the audit headings and decide what we want to include. You have the option to include comparative data by clicking this button here, and then you can choose who you want to compare your results with, global or national, or perhaps your particular audit group. If you're in a large organisation and you have quite a few auditors using this tool, you can just compare your results to the rest of your audit group. You can also choose Like, which will compare against similar organisations. For example, public metropolitan hospitals. Now we've drilled down to your actual results, how do you want them presented? In graphs, raw numbers? You can even remove a result for a particular question entirely. So you can customise the presentation of those results for each question you have in the audit. And when you're happy with what you've decided for description, you go through and work your way through the other headings as well. Okay, that's all done, so now we can generate our PDF, which gives us the finished product. A final report you can either print or download, incorporating all of the features we've just outlined, including the organisation, aims, recommendations, and filtered results.